All right, heading out on what could be the last trip of the season. Hoping to get a few more days in. I don't know, it's 50 degrees today. Light winds, 5 to 10 miles per hour. The rest of the week's supposed to be windy. The long-term forecast looks pretty windy and chilly. So hoping to get a couple more days in. Better gonna head out today, look for some bass. Gonna throw some new jigs from One Cast Fishing, some bladed jigs from One Cast Fishing. Check them out and I'll give you a discount code down below. Check out Wolfpack Performance Fishing, discounts down below too. So we're gonna throw jigs, bladed jigs. I got a square bill crankbait tied on, and I got some other tackle all along, but I'm gonna focus on those three probably. So thanks for coming along.
I don't mind that you've been riding with your head stuck out the window. And it's alright if I don't see it till the cops clear out tomorrow.
On the board. On the One Cast jig, One Cast Fishing jig, Carolina night crawl. Zero it. Even 3. Nice fish. One. One. Another nice fish. Hammered it. It's the One Cast Fishing bladed jig. Think you wanted it? Another one. Almost made the decision to stay home today. Glad I didn't. Told you we'd get a pike. All right. Come on. Guy here. Oh, not bad. Need to get the hook set on him. He's coming right at me. 139. I'll take her. That thing ran like crazy. I couldn't catch up with it. A nice fish. On the one cast fishing bladed swim, or the bladed jig. So all those fish we caught so far today, not had to pull the skirt up on that once because it's wire tied. Bass once again on the one cast fishing bladed jig, and they want that thing. Fish on, I haven't seen it. Oh. Nice bass. Smoked it. Charge right at me. Hey, big girl. Guess we're gonna finish the day with the pike. He was sitting on the boat ramp waiting up for me. Not a very big one. That's not the way you want to finish the day. Finish the day all slimed up. All right, coming off the water, had a pretty good day out there. Caught quite a few bass and some pike. Got a new confidence bait. There she is. Bladed jig from One Cast Fishing. It's 1/2 ounce, got an arky head on it. Moves through the water real nice. All the fish I caught today were on this, except for the very first one, which I caught on a One Cast Fishing jig. This color is Bream Magic. And I just had it paired up with a kind of a split tail soft swim bait that I was using as a trailer. This is actually the one I was using. Used the same one all day, but the last pike there at the access tore it up pretty good. Those things are so destructive. Anyway, it's One Cast Fishing right there, 1/2 ounce, Bream Magic. Discount code is down below if you want to check them out. Also remember, Wolfpack Fishing, discount code below. And of course, always got the line cutter ring on when I'm out. Here, the net you see me using in the video, that's from Line Cutters too. Never used much of a net bass fishing, but the last couple years in the kayak, it's a little more difficult to land them, so I went ahead and bought one, and I really like it. Comes in handy, especially on this stupid pike. So, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Water temp, I'll tell you, was 50 out there today. The air temp's about 55. The weatherman was wrong. He said it was going to be calm. It was pretty breezy on the north side of the lake, so wind was out of the south-southeast. Anyway, thanks for watching.